Hey, what's up? It's Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. As you are all aware, it's mandatory to link your business to a tax PIN in Kenya. Question is, how do you decide which tax PIN to use for your business? Do you use your personal tax PIN or do you apply for an independent tax PIN for your business? Stay tuned to find out. Hi. This is freelance and business. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. Many people find themselves in dilemma when deciding which tax PIN to use for their business. Before making a decision on this, there are several factors that one must consider. Before we delve in, it's important to have in mind that one can use his or her personal PIN to run business. In this video, I'll share with you 4 factors to consider when deciding which tax PIN to use in your business. The information I'm going to share with you on this video is based on my personal experience. The first one is business registration level. Business registration levels vary and matters a lot. There is the sole proprietor business, partnership business, private and public limited company, and company limited by guarantee. Each of these have different requirements at the time of registration. It's only possible to use individual tax PIN with sole proprietor business and private limited company businesses. This is because an individual can register and run them as the only director. The rest type of businesses don't qualify because it requires more than one director when registering. While with private limited company, one can use their own personal PIN. I recommend getting an independent PIN for this type of business. It will save you a lot of trouble as your business grows. The second reason is individual preference. Some people prefer to have their business affairs separated from their personal life. In this case, it will be good to get a separate PIN for your business if you fall in this category of people. This way, the activities associated with your business will be dealt with separately. For example, VAT returns, withholding tax returns, etc. Alternatively, if it's a sole proprietor business or a private limited company and you are okay with using your individual PIN for business transactions, you can do so. The third one is number of businesses owned. How many businesses do you own? If you own more than 2 businesses, I'll advise you to have a separate tax PIN for each business. This will make your record keeping and management easy. As each of your businesses grow, more accountability is needed. This means that at some point you'll employ an accountant to help you keep the books of account and file tax returns. For security purposes on your individual taxes, I recommend having a separate tax PIN for your business. The last one is types of taxes your business is eligible. Your business will be taxed according to the products and services the business supplies. I suggest you check out the various taxes levied on different businesses in Kenya on the KRA website here. When you know which taxes your business will be required to pay or remit, it will be easy to decide on whether to use your individual PIN or not. In conclusion, when deciding on which tax PIN to use in your business, it's important to consider your business registration level, your individual preference, the number of businesses owned, and the types of taxes you are eligible for. Additionally, it's good to put into account your projected business growth. As your business grows, you employ people to manage your accounts. When this happens, it will be safe not to allow people to access your individual tax account. This thus means that having a business tax PIN is preferable. With all this said, I hope this information was helpful to you in setting up your business out there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. And until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptioni. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.